In this short video, you'll learn about the features common to all Brainingcamp manipulatives. After you've logged in, choose any manipulative by selecting its icon. No matter what manipulative you're using, on the left of your screen is the toolkit. Your toolkit contains 3 different options: objects, shapes, and tools. The default view contains the object specific to that manipulative. So if you're using algebra tiles, the 100 board, or pattern blocks, you'll see those specific objects or manipulatives. Clicking on the Shapes icon in the toolkit reveals handy text and shapes tools. These tools allow you to add shapes, stacked fractions, and text. When you select a shape or text, you'll see options to change attributes such as color, size, and style. Selecting the Tools icon in the toolkit displays special learning tools such as number lines, 10 frames, a customizable array, dice, a random number generator, and more. These tools are standard for all Brainingcamp manipulatives. On the bottom of the screen is the navy tray. On the left side, you'll find Undo and Redo buttons, Clear All, and the Zoom feature. The Zoom feature allows you to see more or less of your workspace by zooming in or out. With just one click, the View to Fit button automatically sizes your workspace to fit all the objects you've placed. Also, in the navy tray, you'll find a pen, highlighter, and eraser. Once the pen or highlighter are selected, the Settings menu opens, revealing color and thickness options. When finished, simply return to the tray. To remove any annotations, use the Eraser or the Erase All button. In the lower right-hand side of the navy tray is the Workspace button. Click it to discover other specialized workspaces that are unique to each manipulative. Many have unique mats embedded within the workspace. All embedded mats can be copied, deleted, or locked. Each mat has its own unique set of functions and features. With over 50 of these specialized mats, you'll find plenty of uses for each. Any object in the toolkit can be added to the workspace by dragging it out from the toolkit. You can also quick add a tool by rapidly clicking on its icon in the toolkit. Once on the workspace, you can select the object to reveal selection options that will allow you to edit, copy, lock, or delete. Each object will have other options available based on the tool or manipulative you're using. Just above the navy tray, you'll find additional settings. Those settings have a global impact on the workspace and are unique to each manipulative. You are now ready to use Brainingcamp manipulatives. Each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to that manipulative. Let us know if you have any questions.